Good morning, everybody. It's Marcia, Kansas Misfit, and standing here in our yard, heading out to the chicken coop, and gonna check on the chickens. And they already have food and water. We have a big dog food trough or cat trough, whatever you fill up, like 30 pounds of grain. And then we have the 5-gallon jug of water, so they have plenty of food and water. But I found some meat from the freezer that was frost burned, and I'm gonna feed them to the chickens, and we can watch them, see what they do. I like watching them when they fight over meat. So let's see. You want to watch with me? Here we go. Hey guys. Hey guys. How are you? Huh? Let me lay you down here just for a second. Are you hungry? You hungry? For some yum yum? Huh? You guys hungry for some yum yum? Okay, I'm only going to do one piece, and we'll see how that goes. And then we'll go from there. Yeah. Crazy, aren't they? Let me see if I can get it through the hole here, where I ain't going to get snapped at the same time, because they're wanting it. We got chicken wire, chicken wire on one side, and dog fencing on the other side. They're going crazy. I can't even get it up there. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little nervous. I'm going to have to go to a spot that has a bigger hole, if I can find one. Yeah, there's bigger holes over here. I just have to get behind the tractor. Let's see what happens. I'm quite sure they're following me. Okay, here we go. Come on, guys. Mama's over here. Squeaky, I hear you. Come here. Oh, you can't see. What are you looking at? Okay. Look at him chase. I know it's hard to see. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. Here's a small piece. Whoops. They might get up there and try to get that and then get me. Oh boy, they got it. I don't know how well you can see, but I'm doing the best I can here. They're going to start fighting here any minute because I got the meat just coming in. Gonna have to get something to get through there. Ah, I got you. There's a stick right here. This is perfect. Ready to watch the birds? Here we go. Then go around to the other side so you can see better and watch the birds. David's feeding the cows. I'm feeding the chickens some meat. They like that. Let me go around here. Hey guys. Love you guys. Come on. Love you guys. You're still carrying that meat around, aren't you? Yeah. Good. Aren't they beautiful? Hey, Big Red, where are you? Big Red, where are you, baby? Squeaky, where are you? Huh? Where's my boys? There's Big Red. There's Big Red. Hi, Big Red. Hi, baby. Yeah. So, there was no cockfights today. I was hoping to catch some. These two sure spend lots of time together. They're twins. Boy, these roosters. You guys are really funny. Gotta get a little drink after that meat, huh? Are you laughing? Huh? Yeah? Is this you two's corner? You're always in it. Is that where the bad boys go? Say, no, I'm not bad. Just hungry. Like everybody else. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. Fed the birds. And I let you guys go for today. Smash the like button, and we'll see you tomorrow. Ta-ta! Here we go.